So a lady said to me, I was diagnosed with fatty liver 10 years ago. I said, oh, you probably don't have it now. Because it can resolve very quickly. As soon as you give the body the right conditions, it immediately starts to put processes in place to bring back the balance.
As you drift to sleep, your body embarks on a journey to repair and renewal. What if a simple, natural nightly ritual could supercharge this process, melting belly fat and healing your liver effortlessly? Sounds transformative, right? Let's talk about why this nightly ritual is so effective. Your liver, one of the most hardworking organs in your body, is at the center of your health. It's responsible for detoxifying your system, metabolizing fats, and regulating hormones. But here is a catch. The liver does most of its heavy lifting during the night, especially between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. This window is when your body naturally prioritizes repair and fat metabolism. Unfortunately, factors like late-night snacking, stress, and poor dietary habits can overload the liver, preventing it from doing its job effectively. The result? Fatty liver, stubborn belly fat, and a cascade of other health issues. That's where this ritual comes in. By making a few intentional changes to your nightly routine, you're essentially giving your liver the tools it needs to function at its best. So let's break it down, step by step, to see how this works and how you can start tonight. The first step is all about preparation, helping your liver enter that repair phase by supporting its detoxification process. A great way of doing this is by drinking a glass of warm water mixed with freshly squeezed lemon juice and a pinch of turmeric. Now you see, the lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps flush toxins from the liver, while turmeric contains curcumin, which activates enzymes that break down fats and reduces inflammation. Together, these ingredients create a powerful elixir that prepares your liver for optimal overnight function. If lemon and turmeric aren't your cup of tea, here is another alternative. Chamomile tea, for instance. It's an excellent choice. Its calming properties help lower cortisol levels, reducing stress, a major contributor to fat storage, and improving the quality of your sleep. Adding a slice of little ginger to your tea can enhance its digestive benefits, ensuring your body processes food more efficiently and prevents bloating. Which one will you try tonight? Let us know in the comments below. But detoxifying drinks are just a start. To truly amplify the benefits, light movements before bed is a game changer. You don't need to break a sweat, just 5 to 10 minutes of gentle yoga or stretching can work wonders. Poses like the child's pose, cat-cow stretch, or seated twists can stimulate blood flow to the liver and other digestive organs, improving their efficiency. They also release the tension stored in muscles, helping your body relax and prepare for a restful sleep. So why does movement matter so much? Well, it's simple. Better circulation means your liver gets more oxygen and nutrients, which are essential for its detoxifying and fat-burning functions. Plus, these movements aid digestion, ensuring your evening meal doesn't sit heavily in your stomach all night. Have you ever considered how just a few minutes of stretching could transform the way your body processes food? And speaking of food, let's talk about dinner. What time do you usually eat your last meal? Late night eating can be one of the biggest obstacles to reducing fatty liver and melting belly fat. When you eat close to bedtime, your liver shifts its focus to digestion instead of repair. Experts recommend finishing your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bed, giving your body plenty of time to process the food before entering its restorative phase. But timing is only part of the equation. What you eat matters just as much. For dinner, aim for a light yet nutrition-dense meal. Think lean protein like grilled fish or chicken, fiber-rich vegetables like spinach or broccoli, and healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. Avoid sugary desserts like refined carbohydrates that can spike insulin level and promote fat storage. A grilled chicken salad with avocado and a sprinkle of seeds is an excellent example of a balanced, liver-friendly dinner. Now let's address stress. Chronic stress not only disrupts your sleep but also elevates cortisol levels, which signals your body to store fat, especially in the belly area. So how can you lower cortisol levels and relax your mind in just a few minutes? Well, the answer lies in mindfulness. A simple breathing exercise, such as diaphragmatic breathing or box breathing, can help. Diaphragmatic breathing involves inhaling deeply through your nose, letting your abdomen expand, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth. Box breathing, on the other hand, uses a structured approach. Inhale for 5 counts, hold for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and hold again for 4 counts. Both techniques reduce stress hormones and signal your body that it's time to wind down. Now imagine combining all of these elements. You've had a detoxifying drink, stretched your body, practiced a mindfulness exercise, and finished dinner well before bedtime. What happens next? Your liver finally gets the chance to perform its nightly duties without interference. It metabolizes fats more effectively, breaks down toxins, and balances your hormones, all while you're at sleep. This isn't magic, it's biology, working at its best. The science behind this is fascinating. The liver operates like a finely tuned engine, but it needs the right conditions to perform well. When you overload it with toxins, stress, or poor dietary choices, it becomes sluggish, much like an engine clogged with debris. The nightly ritual essentially cleans the engine, allowing it to run smoothly and efficiently. As your liver becomes more effective at processing fats, you'll start noticing visible changes such as a reduction in belly fat, improved energy levels, and even clearer skin. Who wouldn't want all of that, right? And here is another benefit of this ritual. It helps improve your sleep quality. When your body isn't bogged down with late-night digestion or stress, it enters a deep, more restorative phase of sleep. This is crucial because high-quality sleep not only supports liver function, but also regulates hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which controls hunger and satiety. Poor sleep can disrupt these hormones, leading to cravings and overeating the next day. By practicing this ritual, you're setting yourself up for better control over appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. It's also worth noting that better liver health has a ripple effect on your entire body. A well-functioning liver produces balanced bile, which aids in breaking down fats and absorbing fat like soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are essential for strong immunity, healthy skin, and overall vitality. So when you take steps to heal your liver, you're not only just reducing belly fat, you're also boosting an entire system of resilience and capacity to thrive. Let's take a moment to consider the long-term benefits. This isn't just about looking better. It's about feeling better and reducing your risk to chronic diseases. Fatty liver, if left untreated, can progress to more severe conditions like cirrhosis or liver cancer. Belly fat, particularly visceral fat, is linked to a high risk of heart diseases, diabetes, and hormonal imbalances. By adopting these simple rituals, not only you're addressing cosmetic concerns, you're investing in your long-term health. Need proof? Real-life success stories demonstrate how powerful these changes can be. Take the case of a 42-year-old woman diagnosed with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. She started incorporating a nightly detox drink, light yoga, and mindful breathing in her routine. Within 3 months, her liver function test showed dramatic improvement, and she lost 15 pounds of belly fat. Her energy levels soared and she feels better than she had in years. If she can do it, so can you. So how can you make this ritual a constant part of your life? Start by setting reminders on your phone for each step, preparing your detox drink, stretching for 5 minutes, and practicing a breathing exercise. Keeping your routine simple and manageable. On particularly busy days, even completing just 1 or 2 steps can still make a big difference. Over time, these small actions will become second nature. Another helpful tip is to prepare ahead. For example, set out your yoga mat and detox drink ingredients before dinner. Batch cook healthy meals over the weekend to avoid last-minute unhealthy food choices during the week. And most importantly, track your progress. Whether it's through a journal or a health app, monitor how you feel, your weight, and your energy levels can be incredibly motivating. Hydration plays a crucial role in liver detoxification. Drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily helps flush toxins and support metabolic process. Enhance this with herbal teas like dandelion or milk thistle for added liver health benefits. Now, small victories such as reducing bloating or a fatty liver belly are signs of progress. Celebrate them. These incremental changes create momentum for long-term health improvements. Now remember, it's not about perfection, but consistent effort. A well-hydrated body and mindful habits amplify the benefits of your nightly ritual, ensuring sustainable transformation. When is the best time to perform this ritual? Alignment with your body's natural circadian rhythm is ideal. Eat your dinner around 6:30 to 7:30 p.m., have your detox drink at around 8 p.m., do light yoga at 8:15 p.m., and practice mindfulness at 8:30 p.m. Aim to be in bed by around 9:30 or 10 p.m. This schedule ensures your body is in the optimal state for repair and fat metabolism during sleep. Who stands to benefit the most from this ritual? While anyone can enjoy improved health and vitality, it's particularly impactful for individuals with fatty liver disease, those struggling with belly fat, and people leading sedentary lifestyles. If you often feel fatigued, have abdominal discomfort, or find it difficult to lose weight, despite your efforts, this ritual could be the game changer you've been searching for. Transforming your health doesn't just require extreme measures, just consistent intentional habits. This simple nightly ritual empowers your liver to heal, reduce belly fat, and improves overall well-being. If you're ready to make a change, start tonight. Like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Your journey for a healthier you begins now.